Hi everyone, it's Rocket here. Today I'm going to walk you through how I'm going to color my hair to get this really hot looking red blonde ombre effect. I'm going to apply the red color to the bottom half of my hair and fade it into my blonde hair already on top. Now my hair is already pre-lightened to blonde. If your hair is darker, you'll need to pre-lighten your hair first. I'll be using this Bigen semi-permanent hair color, Vivid Shades. And the color I'll be using is Crimson Red, shade CR3. The color is only semi-permanent, so it's only gonna last about 2 to 3 weeks, depending on how much you wash your hair. It's got coconut oil and shea butter, and no ammonia and no peroxide. And it's an anti-breakage formula, so it's gonna be gentle on my hair. So let's get started. Always remember to do the allergy test as recommended in the instructions. I've just shampooed my hair and it's towel dried and damp. Gather everything you're going to need before you start. Make sure you have a timer or a clock. I also use a good color safe conditioner. I'm using this Bigen Protect and Repair Deep Conditioner after I rinse. I wear an old t-shirt and have a couple of old towels. I always wear gloves so my hands don't get stained, and a rubber band around each wrist keeps the gloves tight and out of my way. I put the color in a plastic bowl. I like to put a little cold cream or Vaseline around all the edges and on my ears to avoid stains. So starting at the bottom of the hair, just grab some with your hand and work it into a section of the hair. Make sure you saturate the bottom with color. Now drag some further up toward the top, but try not to make a definite line in your hair with the dye. You want to make a soft transition from the blonde to the red. So move from side to side and keep the color at the same height, just so the color looks even. Continue to work your way around your head until the bottom of all of your hair is covered with color. You can go back with color to make sure the ends are coated, and evenly feather the color at the top. Okay, that's it. Now set your timer for 25 minutes and clean up. After 25 minutes, take a tissue and wipe a small strand at the end to check the color. If it's not as dark as you'd like, wipe some color back over that spot and wait another 10 minutes. Don't use any heat because it can change the final color. When you have the color you want, rinse your hair in cool water until it runs clear. Don't use any shampoo, just rinse with water. Make sure you rinse all the extra color out and use a color-safe conditioner. So, here are the results. I'm really happy with the way it came out. My hair is soft and shiny, and the color looks great. I can't wait to go show this off. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. I hope this video gets you the look that you want. Thanks, guys.